This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to use the calendar to plan tasks in Basecamp, a popular project management tool that helps teams collaborate efficiently. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to organize your schedule effectively and ensure everyone on your team is on the same page. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to basecamp.com. Ensure you're logged into your account so you can access your projects. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up and create a project before continuing with these steps. Once you're logged in, look for the project you want to work on. Projects in Basecamp are where you'll manage your tasks, communicate with your team, and store files. Click on the project to open it. This will take you to the project dashboard, where you can see all the tools available for managing your project. On the project dashboard, locate the calendar tool. It might be labeled as Schedule or Calendar, depending on your version of Basecamp. Click on the calendar to open it. Here, you'll be able to see all the events and tasks that have already been scheduled for this project. To add a new task or event to the calendar, look for the option to create a new event. This is usually a button labeled New Event or simply a plus sign. Click it to bring up the event creation form. In the event creation form, start by typing the name of the event or task. This should be a clear and concise description that lets everyone know what the task is about. It's a good practice to include any key information that will help your team understand the task at a glance. Next, select the date and time for your event. You'll typically find a calendar view or date picker to help you choose the correct date. Time selection might be done through a drop-down menu or a field where you can type the time directly. If your task spans the whole day, you can enable the all-day option, which is perfect for events that don't have a specific start or end time but are important for the entire day. If other people need to be involved in this task, you can add them to the event. There should be an option to invite people, which is usually a field where you can enter their names or email addresses. Adding people to an event ensures they're notified and can make necessary preparations or adjustments to their schedules. After you've filled in all the details, the final step is to post the event. Look for a button labeled Post this event or something similar and click it. This action will save the event to the calendar and notify the people you've added. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently use the calendar in Basecamp to plan tasks and keep your projects running smoothly. Remember, a well-organized calendar is key to managing your time and resources effectively, ensuring that everyone on your team is aligned and ready to tackle upcoming tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy planning.